Yeah, next time, next year maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello and welcome to the north of Vietnam. I have just finished up the Hang Gang Loop. I'm heading to Sapa. And why should you go to Sapa and why I should go to Sapa is because this lovely lady will show you around her neighborhood or her suburb or her community. She's part of one of the communities that live outside Sapa. So she will show me around her community. She will also invite me to her home. And she will also make traditional food for me. So join me for 24 hours in the suburb of Sapa. Good morning. We are now ready to eat some breakfast before we are going on a trek through the bamboo forest. Best time to visit Sapa for seeing the green rice field is September, October, and I was here in June, so I did miss a little bit of the greenery of Sapa. It was very cloudy and not that green that I was hoping for. But if you come in September, October, you will have way better rice field. Will see the greener rice field that I missed out when I was here. But still a very cool experience all year round. Wow, that was a very nice experience after a hectic hang loop. This was the best thing to do after a hang loop. But now actually it's time for me to leave, and I highly recommend you to connect with her. If you want her WhatsApp number or Instagram, just comment down below and I will help you and help her connect with more guests. Bye.
Yeah. Maybe see you next time.
Yeah, next time, next year maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So if you have a friend, you can give my contact to your friend.
Yeah, I will do that.
Contact me, yeah?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for everything.
啊，
多少钱？
节目。Bye.
Bye. And if you want to see the Hang Gang Loop videos, just see on your left side, you will have the Hang Gang Loop video. So see you in Hang Gang or in another video. Take care and go to Sapa for Christ's sake.